We've just finished this 3-bay oak frame garage carport. Haven't we, Joe?
She's done.
Complete with stud work, joists for the first floor, and rafters. Here's how we did it. These are in. Down she comes. In she goes. Back in a bit to Dave. Yeah. A bit more. That'll do for now, yeah.
Alright, hold on.
Okay, yeah, down. Okay, it's up towards that far corner. That's the end of day one here in Truro. Managed to get the garage oak frame up. Back tomorrow for the joists and the rafters. So it just started raining here, so we're going to call it a day. That's a good day. Got the oak frame up. See you tomorrow. I'm going to film myself talking. Do you want to be on it? So, this being an open garage front, the wind is going to blow in and potentially lift off the roof. So, we're going to have to fix down all these plates to the blocks so that the wind can't blow it off. So we're going to stainless steel bar through these holes down into the second block. Resin that in, tighten it up with a nut.
Yeah, I'll just nice that. Wow, I was there.
So after 2 days, end of day 2, first thing we had to do this morning was put it in the right place, put the oak frame in the right place and fix it down. There's stainless fixings everywhere through the bottom plates, And then we managed to get onto the stud work. So the stud work, 2 stories of stud work, down both gables, across the back wall. There we go. So what's left to do now is the joists, 3 bays of joists, and then the rafters, 3 bays of rafters. That's another 2 or 3 days. Day 3 on the garage build. Today is joist day. I've got to put all these joists, 50 joists, up in these 3 bays. So there's going to be a lot of nailing. There's Joe and Dave, ready to go. Marking them up. Right, Dave?
Right, Tim.
Right, Joe?
What's on?
Yeah, so there'll be a lot of nailing today. Get these joists in today, hopefully. What, just to get it twisted up?
It'll get it to where I want it and it'll stay there.
That's it, the last joist is in. 45 joists, all hand nailed. Rafters tomorrow. Just come across a little problem, which is the rafter here, which goes up in the air onto the roof. The underside of the rafter is going to clash with the top of the joist, so we just need to rip the top of the joist off down through here so that it sits on that, it doesn't clash. What's he done? Dave, you can just lift that up a bit before you...
Yeah.
Okay. That needs to go there. You can see here that we like to put the ridge up first, pinched by a pair of rafters every bay, and then we'll put the main rafters through after that.
Watch this dry. He's done it! Oh.
What do you think, Herbie? End of the 4th day. That was a hot day, long one. Managed to get all the rafters up without the ladders on. Just got to put the ladders on the edges and the gables. Do that Monday, but it's, as for now, that's the end of the week. Come back Monday and finish off.
It's classic.
Stop banging it. And as it pulls it in, up high. He's done it.
He's learned to lob. It's happened.
He's finally done it. That's the ladder on this side done. Creates the overhang on the gable end. See that cut on this last joist here now. That's what we got to do. Get the rafters to fit. That's it, we're all finished here now in Truro. Just sweeping up, tidying up. That's a 3-bay carport garage finished. There you go. That's what it's like upstairs, walking through. This is going to be a house for some reptiles, snakes and lizards apparently up here.